Hi guys. On the AliExpress website, I bought myself a smoke generator for barbecue. There were several options, but I chose this one for myself. The seller had smoke generators of different shapes. Choose the one you like best. I bought a smoke generator 1 month ago. I've already tested it, but today I want to show you in this video how it works. According to the instructions, this device must be filled with sawdust or special chips. I have both sawdust and wood chips. You can fill it with special granules, but I don't have them. This is wood chips and it is not recommended to use it because it is large. We'll check how it will smolder later. Let's first fill the smoke generator with sawdust and see how it all works. Sawdust is softer and thinner than wood chips and they should smolder well. I will not completely fill the smoke generator with sawdust. I just want to show you how it works. Sawdust must be rammed. As you can see, sawdust smolders very well. From the very beginning after ignition, if a flame has formed, it must be extinguished. The smoke is good and stable, you can smoke products. Now I will fill the smoke generator with another large fraction. And let's look at the process. As you can see, there is less smoke and a large fraction smolders worse. Therefore, use a small fraction, sawdust for smoking. And everything will work out for you. My name is Scanner and thank you for subscribing and likes. See you.